I don't know where the glider is.
I don't either.
I know. You'll be able to see it. It's a very distinctive
saw
cliff
one.
that you're coming up on, Casey.
Oh shit.
Is it? I mean, there's a cliff there. I don't know
We
if
need
it
to
was
get
that
higher.
one.
It's further along the beach.
All right.
Don't hit Virginia.
I'll try.
Oh, is it that one?
Yes. Yep. A very prominent cliff.
It's a
From
long
what I
ways.
remember.
And we're leaving Ty to drive her there?
I was
Is that a
already in
bad
the
thing?
air.
I don't know. I mean, I guess Ty's been driving pretty much the whole time, so I guess it's fine.
Well, he was riding this
Oh.
time.
Virginia's
Oh.
following us.
But Ty,
I was
Ty's
the
got
first
skills.
driver.
Yeah, Ty has skills. Don't discount
Wait.
Ty.
Alright, Carrie.
See if Virginia will get in. She's following.
Don't tell him I just hit that tree. Don't tell him I just hit that tree.
Oh my god.
Ty, you saw me hit so many trees, and I'm still a good driver.
Oh, I remember the place now.
Virginia
Just the little
is
camp with
following
the
us
lake.
Yeah,
now.
wait. See if she gets.
Guys,
I will
I
wait now.
told you guys, she's our friend now. I
No, she
gave her
might-
the GPS
is
tracker.
Is she hopping in?
Uh,
Yeah, she is.
Oh, I can see the hang glider too.
She's hopping in. She's in.
Wait, you can see
I don't
it?
think she is.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
there's-
just,
oh.
yeah, it's just there. Well, that's good to know.
Is she? No, she's not. Wait. I
Where are
think
you,
she's
Joe? We gotta have a
flying.
dogfight.
I'm above you.
Is she getting in?
Ever since I figured out the strat to get
Oh, I stalled out
up
a little bit.
higher, I've been doing it.
Come on, Virginia.
Oh, I just went way too steep.
Alright, it doesn't matter. Carrie, hop in.
Don't hit her.
Seems like she's just following after you anyways, so...
She's pretty fast.
Wait, I can pick up this hang glider
You got
too.
3 legs. You can?
Yeah. Do you
Pick
think you
it
can
up
have
from
2?
me.
Maybe that's if you lose it. I bet people were losing it a bunch in playtests.
I bet. It said can't carry any more foldable gliders. I don't know if I can like... I'm pushing it. Maybe that'll work.
Jeez.
What if that only
Here, I'm
exists
gonna-
because Carrie's here and you're gonna fuck it up?
I'm
I'll
pushing it
say
off the
it's-
cliff. I don't think that's
It's very
it.
hard to drive without being able to see the roads now.
Yeah.
Oh, who cares? The roads were
Oh
just
my
a
God.
suggestion.
No, they help.
Won't have to worry about it soon.
Do you see how high up I am now?
Alright, I'm bringing this down the cliff so that you guys don't have to go up the cliff. Maybe. If it works like that. I'm actually gonna die doing this.
Oh, there's a purple POI over.
Can
or
you
over.
stay at the thing?
Oh
Casey?
oh shit. At the hang glider?
Yeah.
I am stuck halfway up a cliff. My hang glider is up on the cliff above me, and the other one is down at the bottom.
I actually don't know where the hang glider is, and I don't want to bring Carrie to the wrong spot.
Well, Joe is
It's a
there.
big cliff. Yeah, I'm here too. I'm
Okay.
flying
Okay,
up
I
the-
didn't die. I fell all the way down, but I didn't die.
Did you
Yeah,
get
I gotta run back up. Yeah, I lost a lot of health.
The fall damage is weird in this game.
So do you never regain health without medication?
I think you do, but it's insanely slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, even the medication, which is the fast method, is like
Slow.
very slow.
Even after eating, sleeping, drinking, it's like I don't regain anything.
Oh, it's possible that like special foods help regen it too. If you cook stuff in the pot.
Yeah.
Like kale.
Oh,
Yeah, the
Um,
recipes do
right.
have different
Joe,
effects.
you left. I don't know where the fucking thing is.
I am there. I
Go
am
towards
there.
The ocean. Yeah,
Ah.
Casey's on it.
the red tea.
All right, I have a radio.
It's hard for me to stay in one spot in the glider.
ADHD.
Hey.
Ah! Uh-oh.
Alright, Carrie.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Is it there?
Got a boombox out.
Nice.
So how do you use it? Just jump off?
Yeah, just jump off the cliff.
Hold.
Don't,
Yeah, hold W
don't
for a
hold,
second.
hold W
You
till
have
you,
to for a
jump.
second.
Once you're in the air, don't. Oh no, Carrie!
Oh! You did it wrong.
You did it wrong.
Here, I'm gonna try to push this off.
That's the meanest
For
way
you.
to say it.
Come get me.
I'm not gonna get you. I'm gonna drop this down for you. Here, it's coming.
Well, did you get downed, Carrie? Carrie's
Yeah.
down. That's what
Oh,
she
she's
means.
downed? Oh, okay. It's coming.
I'm dying quick.
I'm coming. I gotta get my hang glider. Wait, are you halfway up?
She
I
died.
don't know if yeah. Okay.
Is it in your inventory at least?
Mine is. No, she dropped it. Because
Oh.
when you land, it pops off your butt.
Pops off your butt.
Yeah.
So there's a purple POI right by where you guys are. I feel like we should go there.
Oh, the exclamation point.
Hmm. Oh, I missed it so bad.
Where is it?
Look at your map.
Do I have to come over there, Carrie?
Should I drive there or should I
Not
drive
really.
the golf cart back?
They're not really
You
chasing
could
me.
drive it there. I mean, it's way closer than anywhere else. I don't.
Is the
From the
hang
air.
glider
Oh, I
at
see it. It's crashed
It's at-
helicopter.
Yours is at the bottom.
Okay.
I'm looking at it.
Oh, there's
Crash
a lot of. I just found some more things. We need to get the shovel.
Crashed helicopters there, Ty, too. I think.
I found another
Oh,
boom
I hit a
box.
tree.
No, this POI is the one we need the shovel for.
No, this is. Is this the same one?
Yeah, it is.
It might be. It might be all the exclamation points are just shovel spots.
Guys, let's get Carrie the thing. We need the shovel.
Turn on the tunes. Right click. If
I
you
wish
don't
I could-
already have them.
I wish I could pull out the boombox for the hang glider.
Right click?
Yep. Press right click.
It's like, yeah, it's right next to the water, Carrie.
There are
Should
two.
turn it on. Yeah.
Oh, there are two
Okay.
because I pushed one down there too. So there's always a backup if you lose yours.
So
You
how
just
do
have to
you
come
use
back
it?
here. You jump off a cliff, and don't touch the
Hit
ground.
him.
Oh,
He took off his leg.
I did.
Oh. I thought you intended to do that for a second.
No, no. It's hard to see a road.
I just keep crashing.
No, don't jump off those hills. That's not a cliff. You gotta go to the top of the cliff that you fell off of, and then you jump. You hold
Just had a
W for a
slow
second to
cliff.
get off the
Same
cliff,
thing.
obviously. But then let go of it because it's gonna angle you downwards. Yeah, all the way up.
Are you bringing us back?
I am.
Nice.
Do I have to hold anything? No.
Nope. You're going too up. You gotta angle downwards. You're losing all your speed. So S to go up, W to go down. You're gonna need to gain more speed by going down a little bit. Down and turn.
Yep. Now that Kelvin's the base bitch, we know where the base is at all times too.
Are we going to a certain spot?
Ty and I are bringing the cart back, and then we're gonna go to grab some equipment. Take a right? Yeah,
I don't know.
a right would have been faster. We'd still get there, but the right.
Wait, can we?
Yeah, keep going. Cause the gray there is it's the big beach.
Oh, see, I thought it was mountains.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Ty and I are bringing the cart back,
But let's go get carry the thing.
and I'm gonna Yeah. The gun? Okay. Ty and I are just bringing the cart back, and then we'll hop on the gliders too, so we can meet you there flying. Look at him all depressed. Sorry, Kelvin, we don't care.
Yeah, love you, Calvin. Alright. We're gonna fly up.
Yep.
Better off running.
Well, if you want to run, you can run. Look at Casey though; he's already super high up.
Do you know where no, we need to go to the entrance.
But going uphill is still so tough. I made it about a third of the way. Oh, there's a moose. Oh, don't kill me.
Joe, you still have your rebreather on. That's really funny with Big Head.
I pressed to unequip it. That's upsetting.
Hold on.
You bind it to your thingy?
I did not know.
Okay, it should be off now, right?
Yeah, it's off.
Fucker. Oh,
Oh, are you trying to fly it now?
yeah.
Once I crashed, I just ran. I didn't think I had any chance of getting back up.
I did get back up and I flew all the way there, but it is really tricky. You have to be real careful until you're high up.
I wonder what Virginia's doing.
Virginia.
Virginia.
I don't know. Can we see her on the map?
Yeah, she's like just off over there.
Maybe she's trying to lead us to the TV.
I'm playing at a Thai restaurant for tomorrow night's New Year's Eve.
Nice.
That's pretty sick, dude.
I'm playing a solo gig. I'm doing acoustic.
Tie at a tie.
Nice.
Yeah, Thai at a Thai restaurant.
Tie. Just call your act tie on tie.
No, I go by
Oh.
Toast, and then I'm just like, yeah, I'm a DJ, but I'll do it. And they're like, oh, we'll give you a ton of money. And I'm like, okay.
Eye on tie.
Tie on tie. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna make a Facebook post.
Yeah, it's almost like I told you to call it that like 3 minutes ago. When
I was
Casey repeated me.
making sure he heard it.
I figured he would have said something if he heard it.
No,
Yeah.
I thought of it.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah?
I've
When you
never
went
lied.
to DMV on Sunday?
Dude, I got a blowjob at the DMV. I
I
told
was there
you.
for pleasure, not business.
I told you. I go there for blowjobs. Jesus Christ, how many beers have I
How many blowjobs have you
had? At the DMV.
had?
I've had 7 at the DMV alone.
Are you guys
That was
in the
just
cave?
last week.
Yeah, we're in the cave. Are you there?
Yeah.
My guy Michael.
Michael Strokes.
Michael Blowjob.
You'll never guess what he does.
Oh, oh.
I stepped in the fire.
My person's sleep deprived.
Oh, really?
Drink an energy drink.
Yeah, do that.
Does that do that?
It's only
Yep.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
it's only 11 in game.
In game.
Wait, no. That's a 17. We could sleep right now.
I just
Yeah,
drank
let's-
an energy drink.
Yeah, I'm using my energies.
I'm sending it.
Okay.
Okay. Can you...
You just go
Follow?
down.
I'm gonna follow
Yeah,
the
I'm
T.
seeing this.
Yeah, down and then back. I bet we could have swum this.
The problem is we can't see. This gives you a light.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
You can get flippers
Night vision.
in this game.
Oh.
Although we have multiple oxygen tanks though.
Should we keep it on? I have a feeling.
Oh my god, okay, hold on. Gonna equip Molotov. Oh, man, I only hit one of them.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh!
They drown if they chase you in the water. Just...
There are so many!
yeah, that's why. Using the Molotov.
I'm throwing another Molotov back up.
Okay. I think the
What
water
just
put him out.
happened? All the weapons have stats, but they don't make any sense.
Just use the club.
Come on,
I
jump.
use the modern axe.
Oh, found a wetsuit, another tank, some ammo.
Oh, and the flippers.
Wait, what? Where are the flippers?
They're right here.
Talking about the
I
wetsuit?
think it was the
Oh,
wetsuit.
maybe it was the wetsuit.
Fucking swear to God.
Oh, okay.
Are you putting the wetsuit on?
No, I'm keeping my pajamas on. Oh wait, what if the
it
wetsuit
there-
keeps you warm?
It does. It's
Yeah.
resistant to
Where
water.
is it? Where is it?
I put mine on and it still
Bottom
says
right.
cold. Look at my
No,
little
It's
I-
resistant to water, not to temperature.
Oh.
Here, I'll keep us warm with this torch.
Is there anything else to pick up?
Doesn't help.
Cold and wet's gone. I think it does help. Do you
I'm
have
so
one
cold
equipped?
and
I
wet.
think it only
Still
helps if you have it equipped.
Still cold.
I think
as
it
wet.
is.
Oh,
Oh.
You gotta stop standing next to me.
oh, did I smack you?
No, I smacked you, I think.
Oh. It was hard to tell.
Oh!
Oh.
Okay, that's
Oh my god!
Yep.
What the fuck?
Oh, they're running into the water.
I'm just gonna burn her again. That's so funny. Have you guys changed your light color for your pack?
I did that the first time we played. I was like really fucking with it. White is just the best though. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What's happening? I'm coming. Oh! Oh, you
Don't
have
say
to
anything.
slide down there. That's cool.
Ah.
Oh, that's cool.
Sorry.
This is awesome.
They spoiled it.
I went in the second you did. And I watched Casey slide down. So
Oh.
it's okay.
I just walked in and everything went black for a second.
Yeah, no, my torch was
I-
just
I
gone. I was
panicked.
like, what the fuck?
I'm checking in this hole first. Never mind. I don't think there's anything here.
In your breathing hole. It gives you a bunch of bones, like you should have a ton of duct tape. And like,
I'm just not even making armor anymore.
yeah, it's useless because it just
It takes too much time.
goes away in one hit. It's so
Yeah.
stupid.
I mean, if you have a full set of armor, it can really help you out. But like,
That's
I don't think I'll do that until like the end of the game.
that's like 8 duct
Oh,
tapes
hold on.
or something.
I gotta eat some chicken noodle soup.
Oh, grenades.
Oh, looks like we're gonna need them.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
I need to keep this radio going. So
Yeah, you do.
I and I are the wives. Joe and Casey can fight.
no, you guys need to fight too.
A
Cavey.
grenade!
Oh!
Do that.
Oh my god!
It was one guy.
Oh, Ty made it sound like there was a bunch of
There was two.
Down again.
I'm helping. Don't worry. It's just you and I fighting.
I had full health. I just took meds.
Why would it give us all these grenades if we weren't supposed to use them?
There's more in here.
Because we were probably supposed to go through the entryway first.
Yeah.
Why are they so tall?
Get him. I'm gonna rock him to death.
I think they look taller than normal because their heads are big.
Yes.
How am I?
Alright,
How am I wet in a wetsuit?
where are the
What's
grenades?
happening?
I'm staying out of the way now.
What is happening?
I don't know where the nades are.
Oh! Oh!
It's bound to 4 for me. I'm tossing one.
Oh my god.
Another one.
Yeah. I threw one too, just for fun.
Rad.
That's gotta be pretty good, right?
Yeah, I mean I only have one left. I feel like I can't use the last one.
There's some on the ground back there too, I think.
I thought there was. I was full up on grenades and I just threw a ton of them.
What are you doing, Joe?
Looking for grenades.
Of course
Oh.
it is. The bow is just, I don't know how to aim it.
Wait.
Get him, Carrie.
Yes.
He's on the wall.
Such. Caillou. Caillou. It's the Caillou song.
I need to drink another energy drink. Wait a minute.
Hearing some scary noises behind us.
I was jamming. I'm going
Oh,
this way.
Caillou.
With the Fu Manchu.
I wish I wrote that.
Ew.
There's a flashing light over there. Okay. Now we're gonna need some nades, I think.
Oh,
He's throwing
fucking
up?
certainly.
They
I
like
have a
spin
funny
webs. I don't know where they are. Oh, they're in the box, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
if
I
you
got a
guys
few
want to
too.
throw them, you can take mine out of my backpack.
That's not how it works.
Oh.
Oh! Spinny leg monster! Going up. It's
Yeah,
blowing
the
up.
spinny leg guys are crazy.
Oh, it didn't blow up. It didn't blow up.
Oh.
It's ooh.
Where is it?
It just
Right back
jumped over
there.
your head, dude.
I threw a Molotov through it. How? How does that work?
I
Alright,
got
back
it.
Like
up.
a Molotov?
No, Casey, back up!
Oh, I'm dead. That was a
Yeah.
grenade
Okay.
on my body.
He's coming.
Oh no!
Carry! That's why I stopped throwing
The real
grenades
enemy
when he
was
was on top of
ourselves.
us.
I got knocked down by him.
I got knocked down again.
Oh, I have my glider out. Uh-oh. Pick them up, Ty.
I'm leaving before somebody hits me with another nade.
No, I don't. I won't.
Oh
do
nope, I'm down again.
No, I'm
You
gonna
did
get
it
shot.
twice.
I said get out of the way.
When it exploded.
Whoa, what is happening here?
I don't know. Oh, I'm dead. I'm
just
dead.
getting perpetually downed now because of the position we're in. Oh,
What if
I
we
should
all
have got
go down?
everybody there.
Oh, there are
I'm
two.
cold.
Backing out a
I'm
little
cold.
bit.
Yeah, going.
Yeah,
I gotta warm up.
Gonna pop some meds
Caillou.
with the Fu Manchu.
He's
Alright.
coming. He's gonna hit you. He's gonna beat your ass.
Oh no, I'm eating an MRE.
Alright, now I'm gonna throw them in the hole. Oh, or not. Run, Joe.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh, fucking
We
bombing
need a
the
heads
shit out
up.
of me. She's already thrown 4 by the time one
There's-
goes
there's
off.
no heads
I'm just
up.
staying behind Carrie at all times now. I'm not gonna help in the fight. I'm just staying away from everything.
I'm gonna fuck him up. I'm just gonna fuck him. We got him.
Under him.
Yeah, Carrie.
I killed one of them. Okay.
You killed all of us.
like a dozen times. I don't. Where'd that other one go?
It exploded
Oh.
somewhere over here.
You. You got that funky groove.
I'm just cold and wet and not getting any warmer.
Cold, wet, tired, hungry.
Hold on. Making a fire.
Making a
Wait.
torch.
I want to add another stick to the fire.
Like a fire in the night.
Can we? Do we have the tarp to put up? It's 2 a.m.
Yes.
I don't know, the song's making me think we can continue.
Yeah, I know. I mean,
I
my
think we
guy
can
just
continue.
my guy just drank an energy drink.
Yeah, I mean, we gotta just keep going then. I'll eat an energy bar.
There's
Energy drink.
there's a scary guy up there.
Oh, I'm getting all jacked up.
He's coming now.
On what?
Chicken noodle soup, energy drinks.
Alright, time to fuck him up, guys.
I'm ready to go crazy. Alright,
Go.
where's the explosives?
I got a baton. Wait. Don't throw any explosives yet.
I'm equipping one. I have a grenade out. I haven't killed anybody.
I'm hitting him with
a
the
grenade yet.
stun baton.
Oh,
I think
it's just a baby.
One of us just needs to use the stun baton.
Yeah. You got it. You
No,
got it
I'm
all.
getting fucked.
What? You got it. You gotta hit him in the knee.
I only have one armor yet. Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna be helpful with the stun baton.
No, I just mean in general. Hit him, hit him in the knee.
He's down.
I found another laptop.
You teabagging him?
You found
And
a
a flashlight attachment? I bet that goes on a gun if we had a gun. But I could probably put it on the bow.
If I had one.
So nice of them to
Combine-
buy a fully charged laptop logged into exactly what we need.
Don't worry about it.
Great.
There's more explosives over here.
Is there anything else over here?
I should have used more grenades.
My guy stops holding the torch and he's like on the edge of death. That's so stupid.
Yeah.
Did we? We probably didn't find more
Flipping.
batteries, right?
I gotta make
I know
another.
these are
explosive.
There's a way off this way.
Dude, we must get a gun soon. Oh, there's more creepy crawlies. Nothing.
Am I getting beat up right now?
But yes,
Oh,
Okay.
you were in the corner.
he beat you up while you were in your inventory?
You did.
Yep, and it didn't even take me out. I was trying to craft. You know.
Nice.
More duct tape and meds over here.
Yeah, I just gotta redo this super complicated crafting recipe.
We making sticky bombs?
Oh, here's
Yeah,
the way.
because I don't have enough C4 space.
It's
I
dumb. You
found-
can't just click the
I've-
fucking.
I
thing.
found the way, guys.
No way.
There's more
Wait.
meds over here too, Casey. Just-
Yeah, there's tons of meds. I just keep taking them.
Popping ibuprofen and energy drinks. What could go wrong?
What's the other thing that you? A wire.
And yeah, wire, duct tape, coins.
I like how he just
C4.
puts the shit in a pile and then it's just like, oh yeah, it's done. Oh. What's going on over there, Ty?
We're gonna find out.
Oh wait, is there more stuff to loot right here?
No!
There is. There's more stuff to
What?
loot.
There's a person.
I'm like all out of space.
Find bullets.
Okay. Just love the swing.
Bitch. The fuck out the club.
It's ruining the vibe.
Does this water look oily?
Piss water.
Oil water.
Do you pee oil? U.S.
Yes.
government would like to know.
I ate a bunch of egg rolls and I did pee oil.
That's horrifying.
How do you know?
Cause when I peed, it floated.
He was just shit faced.
What do you mean?
When I peed, it floated.
Like separate from the toilet water?
Yeah.
In little bubbles? They can't swim.
Anyone else have nades?
Yep.
I do, I just have to
Gotta
find a way to
stop.
stand. Alright, nobody go onto the shore because it's gonna be a death zone.
I'm light. Yeah, I'm risking it, but I'm okay with the risk. Hey, bitch.
Ow.
But
No way you got hurt by that, dude.
He didn't. Oh, finger man.
Oh. Will he drown?
I don't know. I think he just exploded.
Yeah, I know I fucked.
Oh no, he's alive still.
No, there's more than one.
Oh, I'm down.
Should I throw a grenade?
Oh, that would kill Ty.
I might die here. Backing up.
Drown! Ha! How many people have I drowned this playthrough?
Why does he splooge when
Good
he
amount.
dies? Disturbs me.
To let you know he's.
You know, like,
Screech out.
did you notice all the gookie stuff all over these caves?
Don't call
They
me.
they spin like gookie webs, like when the paddles were stuck in the ceiling.
Yeah, in the first one, they would tie people up with the gookie webs.
You gonna drink the dead body water?
Oh wait, yeah, that's smart. I'm gonna do the
Get
same
bottle
thing.
water. Oh, I still have.
Water's the one thing I'm not lacking.
I'm gonna brew up some food just to have.
That's smart. I have 2 meat that I gotta use.
Oh, I think I have fish. It's probably rotten by now. Don't forget you can carry it around, Ty.
Is anybody thirsty for the last drink?
You can carry it if you want.
Yeah, but someone can
You
take
have
the
to
last drink.
play-
Oh wait, is this just water?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't need it, so I'm not gonna take it.
Alright.
Water's a peasant drink, he says. I drink human noodle soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want to take from the peasants.
I agree.
Are we about to the cave?
Wait, you could have made chicken noodle soup.
Nope.
Yeah, you could have.
Humans. I want to eat them raw.
You mean cooked?
Raw?
You want to eat them?
He doesn't want to eat it boiled. He wants it charred. That's what he meant to say.
Yes.
Alright, I'm almost out of sleep juice, so I think we're getting close to
Cooking,
hopefully to the end of this.
eating another energy bar. Oh, we could have slept. Well, now we can't. It's too late. I'm full purple right now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna immediately ruin the food buff I just gave myself.
Full purple?
I went to the right.
Full purple.
Whoa, yeah, come down here, come down here.
Oh, hold on. Get those nades out.
Oh, it's just babies, dude.
I want to throw a nade at the babies.
No. I'm wasted.
Don't waste a nade on a baby.
I have so many.
Yeah, but you can set them on fire with the torch.
Oh, that's kind of fun. I actually really like smacking them with the club
Dude.
too.
What is this? Are we like
Shovel!
Shovel!
No, we're shovel game now.
Shovel game. Cooked baby. This
Do we
is
go-
the facility they built here.
Do we
I don't-
go that? I don't feel like we don't go that
crazy.
way.
Oh no, there's an invisible wall. See?
Wait, there is? Hold on. Yep. I checked.
And now we have to
Can
go
we-
back?
We have to
Yeah.
walk all the way back, yeah.
No, we gotta inspect every little
was
wall
another
here.
exit.
Maybe there's an exit.
Yeah, there was another place to go back there.
Nothing over here.
Now we can dig up that poor guy's grave now.
Dig every poor guy's grave up. Wait, where is it in our inventory?
Probably.
Oh yeah, it's there.
Where?
To the left, to the right.
Okay.
I
Both
don't
ways.
know which
both,
way it is.
Both ways. It's to the right. near the
Oh, it
center.
is to yeah, it's super obvious.
Oh,
I got a shovel now.
we do just have
You
to
hold
go
it
back.
really funny. Oh, it's like a poker shovel. Wait, are you sure? I don't appreciate that at all.
I don't appreciate that either, especially how the other ones are designed.
Wait, no. Secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I
Good
thought it was
fucking
weird.
fine, Casey.
Ow.
Good fucking Casey.
Alright, the shovel isn't a good one. Oh, this would be prime spot for a nade.
Ugh. How many stabbies do they take?
Oh, what behind you?
Whoa!
I thought I saw another one. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Can we break this? Oop.
Why is the canned food always cat food? Why are there so many cats for them to feed?
Oh, it's condom song.
Wait, is this a dead end though?
I got a condom. And I put it in a mirror.
No way this is a dead end, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this was a little bit of a secret, but yeah.
There wasn't anything here.
There was some canned cat food.
Garbage. What about this tiny hole?
I saw that too.
We need a shrink potion. Wait. Oh, this is just
Back where we were.
it's just a window.
This is dumb. This is such a big fucking cave. Maybe
Warm up
maybe we
before
dig
you
our way
swim.
out.
I didn't see any shovels. Shovel places.
Like a shovel.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
the little thing would have been. I swear we must have missed it, cause they like that's the thing. They leave ways out.
Gary, it looks so stupid. The big head with the rebreather looks so fucking dumb.
Does wearing the flippers make you slower?
No, it doesn't. There was a tip that told me that, so I know.
Wearing the flippers doesn't make you slower. A
Yeah.
tip told you wearing the flippers does not make you slower.
It specifically said that sentence.
I don't believe. Are you
No,
sure it didn't say wearing the flippers
No,
makes you
no,
slower?
wearing the flippers does not slow down your walking speed.
Okay, that's a weird tip.
I mean, it's good to know.
I mean, it is good to know. Not really expected.
Maybe can we hit this gold stuff with a shovel? I'm
Pick
assuming
up
we get a
things, though.
pick or something.
Got it.
instead.
Hi, Hunter.
Hello.
Hello.
Eh.
Hello.
It's always, I feel like it's always Casey that's first.
I am attentive.
He is.
Oh, I heard. I thought you were gonna say something though.
Oh. Not my usual rid.
Hardcore, hardcore,
No,
parkour over
not at
here.
all.
Never mind.
I
It's
feel
okay.
like Casey always just beats everyone to the punch.
What the
Oh!
fuck?
Why are they falling rocks?
Oh!
Wait, ready?
Get your nades out, boys.
No, I already threw one. You only need one.
Sticky bomb?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Can we go that way now?
Oh, you didn't tell me you get an achievement for that, Casey.
I forgot.
That's pretty sweet.
Oh, that's a lot of chunks.
Wait, how did we not see him before?
So many
Looks
chunks.
awesome going.
I
Maybe
don't
that
know,
just
dude.
activates once you get the shovel?
It
Because there were
must.
empty crates there.
Oh.
Oh, I don't have
What?
any light. That's
And like, what happens if you stack like blue Joker with green Joker? You know?
Yeah, just the joke.
What does happen? Oh, fuck. Oh, get the fuck out of my way.
Oh,
It would probably be smart for us to equip. Hey, I thought you were dead. To equip medicine on our numbers.
yeah.
I bet that would be a lot safer. I'm not gonna do it though.
There's too much shit to
Yeah.
equip.
I keep randomly equipping like things I don't use a lot to 0. But then I just have nothing equipped.
I have the pot on 0 because
That's what I prefer to have. Yeah, and then
I
I
didn't even
don't
think
ever
about
use
that.
it. I like the sound of the burning babies.
Is this
Excuse me.
somebody have a flashlight.
We're setting babies on fire.
Okay.
I have a flashlight.
All right.
You mean a
jump down.
flare?
Or
not
a
gonna-
flare. Flare works.
I didn't even know which way was down for a second.
Intrusive thought to just push Casey off. Oh,
I almost just jumped straight in.
Yeah,
Then
that's
I reconsidered.
flip that.
I already died a million times and I just took meds.
We're all in it together.
Once we know we're all stars.
Hunter.
I think this might be the exit. It is.
Maybe we
I
should
don't even think that's
sleep
the right
in
word.
here since it's.
It's daytime.
Is it really? Did we stay awake through the night?
10 a.m.
Yeah.
We were in that cave forever.
Damn.
I'm getting in.
Get out of
someone's
the
way.
entrance!
Everybody
little
does it to me. I'm doing it to you.
That was
Alright.
by the gate.
Well, I guess it's
I'm going up to this
I
cliff.
don't have any
Yeah.
Doom sprays equipped. Oh,
Oh, you're playing Overwatch?
yeah.
No shit. That was unexpected. I'm doing the left cliff.
Was that
I
for?
I was talking with Joe earlier, and I need to
Oh.
fucking
I
get
am
my
surprised.
green gun.
no. I'm doing a right cliff.
I did the left.
You're doing
but
White
That's
Cliff,
why,
John?
that's why you're bad. Oh, I don't want to fly into the trees though.
Nah, it's
think
easy,
this is
dude.
the
You just
spot.
bank it after you.
Well, no,
die.
I was just picking a weird spot to start. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, I just fell off the cliff instead, and I think my name might be up there.
Yep.
I tried to like run and jump, and I just didn't move. I think it's because I'm
Wait.
sleepy.
I bet I look weird as fuck. I'm wearing a scuba suit and a rebreather while flying in a glider.
Flip flopping. Where's our house? Where's Kelvin?
To the right. To the right.
Okay.
I still think the wetsuit is making me slow.
Why is there an M on the map? Do you guys see that? It's blinking.
Yeah.
The wetsuit 100% makes you slower.
That the heart's there, so that means our girl's there, Virginia.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get off so I can go to bed. So
Oh.
I'm just trying to get back.
Fly into the base. I mean, I think that's fair.
Yo, I'm
worn
playing
out.
the shit out of some Zarya
Oh!
right now.
Yeah,
Oh!
you've work tomorrow.
Ah, fuck
Yeah.
Zarya.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You can go so fast. Holy shit.
Ty started after me, and he's still getting there way faster.
He's just skilled. I crashed very far from our house because I was being silly. Yeah, I'm taking it off and I'm gonna see if I move faster.
You move way faster. It's super obvious.
And the
Why
reason
would
there was a
guide lie
tactical,
to Ty?
the reason there was a tactical jacket in our inventories, or we couldn't wear it, is because we already had one.
Oh.
Alright, we could all save at the
At the base.
Hey,
At the drop of a
Calvin.
cat. I'm gonna hit him with the stone.
He hit me with the stone.
Alright, nose diving.
do it. Oh!
Nice.
Do you not get hurt?
That is the best way to do it. No. Kevin. What a
I
loser.
saved. What a loser.
You just.
Alright. I saved.
Wait, I gotta save. Alright, I saved.
Carrie, you save?
Yeah.
I saved up.
Alright.
Oh my.
That was
Okay.
good. That was a
I'm
lot of
angry.
foresting.
It was. That was good. Alright, thanks stream, even though nobody's watching.